Welcome to the Financial Werks YouTube channel. Are you looking for a business opportunity that combines profitability with convenience, all while making your customers' lives easier? Wholesaling might just be the path to financial success that you've been searching for. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the world of wholesaling and walk you through the steps to get started. Whether you're a newcomer to entrepreneurship or seeking to diversify your income streams, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to succeed in the world of wholesaling. Understanding wholesaling. Wholesaling is a business model that involves purchasing products or components in bulk from manufacturers or suppliers and then reselling them to retailers or end consumers. The key to success in wholesaling is offering products as complete sets, packages, or kits, providing convenience to your customers while turning a profit. The beauty of wholesaling lies in its simplicity and potential for scalability. As you assemble and sell complete sets of products, you not only increase the value to your customers but also create a niche for your business. Now, let's delve into the steps to start your journey into wholesaling. Step 1. Choose your niche. Like any business venture, your first step is to choose a niche. Your niche defines the type of products or components you'll be wholesaling. This choice should align with your interests, expertise, and the market's demand. Consider areas where you see opportunities or unmet needs. For example, if you have a passion for automotive customization, you could focus on wholesaling complete kits that include wheels, body parts, and paint or decals. The key is to select a niche that you are genuinely passionate about or have a deep understanding of. Step 2. Research suppliers. Finding reliable suppliers or manufacturers is paramount in wholesaling. Research potential suppliers thoroughly to ensure they can provide quality products at competitive prices. Look for suppliers with a solid reputation, a history of reliability, and positive reviews from other wholesalers. Consider factors such as minimum order quantities, lead times, and shipping costs when evaluating suppliers. Building strong relationships with suppliers is crucial for long-term success in the wholesaling business. Step 3. Stock inventory. Once you've identified your suppliers, it's time to stock up on inventory. Place your initial order and ensure that you have sufficient stock to meet customer demand. As you grow, you can adjust your inventory levels based on sales trends and customer feedback. Step 4. Pricing and profit margins. Determining the right pricing strategy is a critical aspect of wholesaling. Your prices should not only cover your costs but also allow you to generate a reasonable profit. Consider factors like product cost, shipping, handling, and overhead expenses when setting your prices. Remember that offering complete sets or packages can often justify higher price points, as customers are willing to pay for the convenience of a one-stop shopping experience. Be competitive in your pricing while maintaining profitability. Step 5. Create an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential for reaching a broader customer base. Create a professional website where customers can browse your product offerings, place orders, and get in touch with you. Ensure that your website is user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. Consider investing in high-quality product images and detailed descriptions to showcase your offerings effectively. Include customer reviews and testimonials to build trust with potential buyers. Step 6. Marketing and promotion. Promoting your wholesale business is crucial to attracting customers. Develop a marketing strategy that includes a mix of online and offline tactics. Some effective methods include social media. Create profiles on social media platforms relevant to your niche. Share product updates, promotions, and engage with your audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters, special offers, and updates to keep customers informed. Networking. Attend industry events, trade shows, and conferences to connect with potential buyers and suppliers. Content marketing. Publish blog posts, articles, or videos related to your niche to establish yourself as an expert and attract organic traffic to your website. Online advertising. Consider using paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads or social media to reach a wider audience. Step 7. Customer service and feedback. Exceptional customer service is vital in wholesaling. Be responsive to customer inquiries, address any issues promptly, and provide excellent support. Encourage customers to leave reviews and feedback, as positive reviews can enhance your reputation and attract more buyers. Step 8. Expand your product line. As your wholesaling business grows, consider expanding your product line to cater to evolving customer needs and market trends. Conduct regular market research to identify opportunities for new product offerings. Inspiring success stories. To inspire you on your journey into wholesaling, let's explore a couple of success stories. The home improvement wholesaler, Lisa, a passionate home improvement enthusiast, ventured into wholesaling by offering complete DIY home improvement kits. By providing convenience to homeowners and collaborating with reliable suppliers, her business rapidly expanded, becoming a go-to source for DIY enthusiasts nationwide. The electronics accessories maven, John, with a knack for electronics, started wholesaling complete sets of tech accessories like phone cases, chargers, and headphones. Through effective online marketing and exceptional customer service, he turned his passion into a thriving wholesale business. In conclusion, wholesaling offers an exciting avenue for entrepreneurs to build a profitable business by providing customers with complete sets or packages of products. By carefully selecting your niche, building strong supplier relationships, and offering exceptional customer service, you can create a thriving wholesale business that fulfills both your entrepreneurial dreams and your customers' needs. So, are you ready to embark on the journey of wholesaling? Your path to financial success and customer satisfaction starts here. Remember, the world of wholesaling is vast, and with dedication and creativity, you can carve out your niche and make a significant impact. Start building your wholesaling empire today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more educational content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below.